Dennis here, going to draw a cute winter monster.
We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use,
Whatever you have.
yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom, anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing our monster's mouth. We're going to draw it here in the middle of our paper, but towards the top so that we have room for the body down here. Let's draw a funny face, funny mouth. I'm going to draw a little curve. We're going to make the mouth bigger, but we'll start like that. Then curve down on each side. Then let's draw the bottom of the mouth coming down further, and we're going to draw the mouth open. And we could draw little teeth, 2 letter U's, 1 on each side. And then let's draw a tongue. I'm going to draw with 2 bumps. Okay, let's color in the middle shape. Now let's draw the eyes. We could draw a small circle on the left and matching small circle on the right. Oh, it's looking cute.
Yes.
Then we can draw the highlight. I'm going to change it. Usually we draw it in the top left. This time I'm going to draw in the center. So top right on the left side and top left on the right side. Then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. This makes the highlight right in the middle. Kind of looks like he's cross-eyed.
A little bit.
A little bit. Then we can draw the snow globe for our monster's belly. We're going to draw an oval shape, or it could be kind of a circle too. I'm going to draw it right here underneath the mouth. We're going to come around and draw the shape. You could draw it bigger, you could draw it smaller, draw it more oval or squished. I like this shape and that shape. Okay, next let's draw the body. We're going to draw it made out of snow. So we're going to draw a cloud line or a popcorn line. We could start up here at the top. I'm going to draw it up high. We can draw a big bump and a little bump and a really big bump and mix it up so it looks natural. Our monster's looking awesome.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw bumps, little bumps and cloud lines coming down to the shoulders. And the same to match on the other side. Now let's draw horns made out of ice. We're going to draw curving up on both sides and match so it's symmetrical. Then we can curve around so it's not a sharp point, a friendly horn, and we'll draw so a curve at the very top and then come down. I made it thicker towards the bottom. Then we can draw little curves going down on each side. Let's also give our monster ears, small ears. I'm going to draw it curving around and then a couple snow cloud lines at the bottom. And the same on this side. Curve around and then some bumpy lines on the bottom. And we could also draw a little bumpy line inside.
It looks so cute.
It does, especially yours. Okay, next, let's draw our monster's arms. We're going to draw the bumpy snow coming out further. So it's coming out further than the body. Then we can draw it curving around and then come up to the armpit and stop. And then we'll try to repeat that same kind of shape. It doesn't have to be the exact same bumps or snow lines, but we're going to try to draw the same. This one's a lot smaller. This one's
way bigger.
Yeah, strong and cute. Small. Then we can also add icicle claws coming out of the bottom of each hand. Now let's draw the bottom or the belly of our snow monster. I'm going to draw the cloud or bumpy line. Oh, remember to make some of them big and some small. Yes, now let's draw the legs and the rest of the body. I'm going to start here. So my snow monster looks big. And we can come down on the other side. And then also the bottom of the feet. And then connect up to the belly. Bottom. And try to make this width the same. Yes. Oh, and we could also add little icicle toe claws at the bottom. What are we missing?
The snow globe.
Yeah, the stuff inside the snow globe. Let's draw the snow. I'm going to draw a cloud bumpy line like we did for the outside. Then let's add trees. We'll add pine trees. So we can add upside down letter V. Then we could draw zigzags coming down to the snow on both sides. And then come across and connect to the bottom. And a tree trunk sticking down. Let's do the same for another tree on this side. The upside down V and zigzags. I'm going to go a little faster, repeating the same steps. And a tree trunk. We could also add a tree in the background or behind this one. And a tree trunk. And I'm going to do the same over here. And come down and a trunk. Oh, let's add one more layer of snow just in between those trees. We did it! We finished drawing our winter monster, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, my favorite. Except we're gonna fast forward this part and challenge our art friends to color their drawings differently. Or at the end, you could pause the video if you want to match your same color. You ready to start?
Yes.
And we did it! We finished coloring our winter monsters. Oh, and you added one more thing.
I had to add eyelashes.
Yeah, rule number 1.
You could also add a lot more stuff.
Yeah, a background would really complete your drawing. I especially like yours. It's really cute.
Thank you. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cute winter monster.
And I'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.